Today we're going to smoke test an intake to find an air leak. We're going to use the Mac Tools leak attack. First step will be to find a nice vacuum source, which will be this one right here on the intake. And then we're going to cap off the air intake to make sure we have a sealed system. After we have our vacuum port situated, we're going to take the tester and get the power leads hooked up and get the vacuum leads and get the smoke test lead that plugs right into there. So that could pressurize your intake with smoke. And we're going to hook up a jump box because the battery's a little low on this car. So you do that there and do that one there. This particular model uses the external air source. We have an air tank right here. You plug it into the machine. Then you power it up. Once it's powered up, the green light means power. Press this button here. It starts to activate the smoke. Once the smoke machine is on, you turn on the air source. And then you can see that the smoke is coming. What you do, plug it into your intake. Give it a few seconds so that it could fill up all the cavities with smoke. And then you just look for where smoke's coming out of. On this particular car, you can see there's a nice cloud of smoke coming out of the intake valley. And the reason why the smoke's coming out of the intake valley, because this car has homemade IMRC deletes and they're leaking. So in this particular car, we're going to remove the intake, replace the homemade ones with nice billet CNC ones, and then that should solve the problem. If there was a leak coming from the charge pipes, you would see some smoke coming from either connection, or the blower valve is a nice common spot for a air leak. And then once you do the repairs, you could retest with the smoke machine to make sure that there's no more air leaks and that it solves your problem.